Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Sunless Glow is probably one of the most sought-after beauty products for achieving that perfect sun-kissed look without the harmful UV exposure. And in today's video, we're diving deep into what makes a self-tanner lotion truly stand out from the crowd, helping you achieve a natural-looking tan that will have everyone asking if you just returned from a tropical vacation, all from the comfort of your own home, ensuring you get that radiant glow you desire with minimal fuss and maximum results. Number 5. B.TAN Ultra Long Lasting Self Tanner Kit Forever Bundle. Introducing the B.TAN Forever Bundle, your ultimate solution for a beautiful, dark sunless tan. Get a natural looking glow that lasts. Enjoy a stunning tan that lasts for up to 11 days with this incredible kit. It provides long-lasting color without the need for frequent reapplication. Our express foam allows for fast bronzing, giving you a beautiful glow in just 1 hour. The included mitt ensures a smooth and even application every time. Experience a delightful sunless tanning process without the unpleasant fake tan smell. Enjoy a fresh and pleasant scent throughout the application and wear. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for a perfect at-home tan. Achieve salon-quality results with ease and confidence. Get that coveted bronzed look effortlessly. This mousse delivers a rich, dark glow that enhances your natural beauty. What we like. This kit offers an incredibly long-lasting tan, up to 11 days. It also features a fast-acting 1-hour express foam for quick results. If you want a tan that lasts and you're short on time, this is the bundle for you. What people say. No orange Oompa Loompa color. It looks very natural and not orange at all. Does not streak or look orange, easy to follow directions on bottles. Number 4. B.TAN Dark Self Tanner Mousse. Want a gorgeous, sun-kissed glow without the sun? This express tanning mousse delivers an ultra-dark bronzing finish in as little as 1 hour. Forget that unpleasant fake tan odor. Our formula is designed to leave you with a beautiful, natural-looking tan and a fresh scent. Get a rich, deep tan that looks like you've spent days in the sun. It's perfect for achieving a flawless bronzed look all over. Feel good about your tan. This product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, so you can achieve your desired glow ethically. Applying it is a breeze, and the results are simply stunning. Enjoy a beautiful, dark tan from the comfort of your home. What we like. Achieve an ultra-dark bronzing glow with this express tanning foam. It works in just 1 hour and has no fake tan smell. If you're looking for a deep, dark tan quickly and without the typical tanner odor, this is a great choice. What people say. I love that it goes on a little darker so you can see exactly where you're applying it. It makes blending super simple and streak-free. Absolutely no orange after application. There is no smell with this product, whereas many of the other products have a very distinct smell. The application is easy as long as you follow the directions, and the tan does last 6 to 7 days. The gray color gave me beautiful dark color without a hint of orange. Tan AF nailed it in the color department. I'm not a golden tan. I'm a deep dark brownish tan. Incredible. Very little depositing of color on sheets or clothes, which is awesome. Number 3. B.TAN Insanely Dark Clear Self Tan Gel. Introducing our Insanely Dark Clear Self Tan Gel. Achieve a deep, natural looking tan that lets you glow your own way. It's the next level in sunless tanning. Experience the best in sunless tanning with our transfer-resistant formula. Enjoy a flawless bronze without worrying about it transferring onto clothes or sheets. Get an ultra-quick bronze that develops rapidly. You'll achieve a beautiful, sun-kissed look in no time, perfect for when you need a fast tan. Say goodbye to the unpleasant smell of fake tanners. Our unique formula is designed to leave you with a fresh scent, so you can feel confident all day. This generous 16 fluid ounces bottle ensures you have plenty of product for multiple applications. Enjoy long-lasting, beautiful tans with every use. What we like. This clear gel formula provides an ultra-quick bronze that is transfer-resistant. You get a beautiful glow without worrying about it rubbing off on your clothes. If you prefer a gel formula and need a tan that won't transfer, this is ideal. What people say. It goes on clear, which I love because there's zero transfer onto clothes or sheets. The scent, the color, the fact that I never end up orange or streaky, they've earned my trust. This gel is the perfect middle ground. Not thick and sticky, not watery and messy. It spreads easily and evenly, especially with a tanning mitt, which I always recommend no matter the formula. Number 2. B.TAN Violet Base Self Tanner Mousse. Get ready to fall in love with your tan. This is the best express sunless tanning foam you'll ever try. Achieve a beautiful bronzed glow in just 1 hour. It's fast, effective, and perfect for when you're in a hurry. Say goodbye to unwanted orange tones. This formula is designed to cancel them out, leaving you with a natural-looking tan. Experience a deep, dark bronzing glow. It provides a rich color that looks like you've spent days in the sun. Enjoy the scent of a beautiful tan without the typical fake tan smell. It leaves you feeling fresh and confident. Perfect for both your face and body. Get an all-over, seamless tan with this versatile mousse. What we like. This mousse features a violet base to cancel out any unwanted orange tones, ensuring a natural-looking dark glow. It's also a 1-hour express formula. If you've struggled with orange undertones in the past or want a guaranteed natural-looking tan, this is the one to try. What people say. It goes on smoothly and develops into a really natural-looking color. I like that it doesn't leave me looking orange and gives an even, streak-free finish. The mousse is easy to apply and dries fairly quickly. The purple tone really does balance out any risk of orange tan and leaves my skin a gorgeous, subtle olive color with one layer. The mousse is easy to apply and dries fairly quickly. The resulting tan is natural, not overly dark. It is definitely less orange than other self-tanners. Number 1. New Skin Sunright Insta Glow Self Tanner Gel. Get ready for a beautiful, sun-kissed glow without the sun. This self-tanner gel provides a natural-looking tan for both your face and body. Infused with vitamin E and avocado oil, it nourishes your skin while it tans. Enjoy a smooth application and a radiant finish. Achieve a natural body bronzer effect with ease. Its formula works with your skin to create a convincing tan. This is more than just a self-tanner, it's a beauty and skin care essential. It helps you look and feel your best. Experience an instant glow that develops into a lasting, beautiful tan. It's your secret to a perfect summer look anytime. What we like. Get a natural summer tan with this gel infused with vitamin E and avocado oil. It provides a beautiful bronzed look for both face and body. If you're looking for a gentle, nourishing formula that delivers a subtle, natural-looking tan, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This product is amazing. It leaves a beautiful glow and it is not sticky at all. I love how this product smells. It has a light scent that is not overpowering. This product is easy to apply and it dries quickly, so you don't have to worry about streaks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.